How to sign in into Breezy HR employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to sign in into Breezy HR employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in breezy.hr and hit enter. On Breezy HR homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner and click login. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your work email address in the email field and click on next. Next, type in password. Make sure you have entered it correctly, then click on the sign in button. After logging in, you will be directed towards the Breezy HR dashboard. Here you can manage job posting, review candidate applications, schedule interviews and collaborate with your team. And that's it. You are now signed in into Breezy HR employee account and get ready to work. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.